Good morning. It is a beautiful day in the middle of March, and I am back on a familiar trail that I just did recently. We are hiking Garfield ledges, but this time we have company. We have Mary and Willow and Buffy and Angel. So we've got the whole puppy squad gonna go check out these ledges because it is a beautiful day and we had time for a quick hike, and this one was so much fun the last time that had to bring people back here to get the view again. There's some more snow this time though, so the mountains are gonna look gorgeous. Anyway, I've already shown this trail, so not gonna be a ton of footage, but lots of footage of the puppies and some beautiful mountain views. Let's go. Willow, what do you think? You want to go look over here? You go look over here? Look? Look? Willow, what do you think? Becky, what do you think? Is that a good view, Willow? Aww. Hi. Are we looking? We having fun? Yes. Having lots of fun. Made it to the top of Garfield ledges for a second time. And Willow, what do you think? Is it good? Is that a good view? Puppies, what do you think? Is that a good view? Yeah! How pretty! Yep, so I'll give the tour briefly again. That is Preacher Mountain there. That is Stegosaurus Butte, this hump there. I have climbed that multiple times. I have a video on that. This is the pulpit. And then this is the middle fork of the Snoqualmie River. This is the valley. And then this ridge way off in the distance, that is Rattlesnake Ridge and Rattlesnake Ledges. You can see that. This is, I believe, I think it's Green Mountain or Bessemer Mountain. Mount Si is the end of this ridge here. And then Taylor River, Middle Fork River. And then this is the ledges. And Mary and Willow on the ledges. Aw, Buffy, you're so cute. Buffy, I think Buffy likes it. I think Buffy likes the view. Buffy, is that good? I don't know. Do you think you see a squirrel? No squirrels. No looking for squirrels. Angel. Angel, do you like it? You like it? Yeah? You like, is that good stick? Is that good stick? Yeah. They think it's good. Willow, what do you think? Yeah? Is it pretty? Do we like it?
She's sniffing the wind.
Yeah, you like the for squirrel. They were enjoying the view a little bit earlier. They're more interested in the sticks. Angel, what do you think? Yes. Mary, what's the verdict on this view?
I really like it, and it's an easy trail for a view like this.
Yeah, I honestly think this is one of the best trails around here for views for easy climb. It is fantastic. Also, we haven't seen anybody else. There's nobody else up at the ledge. There's just one person that passed us on the way back down, you know, and I think that this is just like a new favorite for us because, I mean, it's got everything. It's got a view, good climb, and not crowded. I don't know really what else you could ask for that. And I like this view specifically because it's all just wilderness. Like, you cannot see any artificial structures. No highways, no towns, nothing. Just the sound of a river and some beautiful mountains. Gonna head back down, and I think we'll go across the Middle Fork Bridge to look at the moss and get some sun, because yeah, this definitely doesn't get sun in the first half of the day. And obviously this is a very short hike, so we can still do some exploring because it's Middle Fork, and Middle Fork is very pretty, especially on a day like today. We made it back. That was the return to Garfield ledges featuring all the puppies and a little few shots of Middle Fork. I've done these trails before, obviously, and shown them off, but it's gorgeous weather today. Beautiful. Had to come and see some shots of these mountains, and there was more snow on them this time, so extra beautiful. And we have a backseat of tired puppies now who have fun. Willow's pouting. But Angel, you have fun, right? Yeah? Buffy's tired. And Mary got the seal of approval, Garfield ledges?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah. I think that it is a fantastic trail, and we had it all to ourselves. Again, incredible view, and got to see Mount Garfield again with some more snow on it. So anyway, thank you for watching this little bonus episode, and here are my favorite pictures from the trail today. Enjoy.